All right, y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another vlog. Yo, so excited today. This video is sponsored by
Vrbo.
Woo! And Vrbo, guys, guess what? They just released their Unpack 2026. They look at all the trends.
Yes, and the travel trends for us that we're exploring.
Yes.
It's farm charm.
Farm charm, y'all. So people are getting out of the city, coming to the farm.
Yes.
So we are actually staying at a farm this weekend, y'all. Farms got everything. I mean, you used to the city life, you used to beaches and all that. Yeah. Have you ever slowed down, just wanted to pet some animals or something, walk around? We got 35 acres we finna explore here today.
And feed some animals. Like, that is the kids' favorite thing. So we knew when we saw this place on Vrbo, we had to get it. They even have a hot tub.
Y'all, we finna show y'all everything. So let us start with a house tour.
All right, let's do it.
Because we just got here, y'all. Come on, let's go. This is the house. We ain't even made it outside yet.
We ain't made it to the farm.
We ain't made it to the farm part, which is why we came here. So we're gonna go walk around and chill. We want to show y'all this. Now we're gonna take y'all meandering around the farm for the weekend. And y'all, don't think because we on vacation we slipping, because we not.
We brought our meals. We've been
meal prepping.
Luckily, we do get a special meal.
So we have been working with a trainer for the past 2 months. Been seeing great results.
I don't know, can y'all tell? I feel like I can tell. I know I can tell in bed.
Yeah, I'm 10 pounds down. Didn't even know I had 10 pounds to go down, but yeah. 10 pounds down. Mommy, she's what?
I'm 8 pounds down.
8 pounds down, yeah.
I'm 8, 9 pounds down. So not too far off, but you know.
Yeah, got a nice little exercise plan Monday through Friday.
Yeah.
Got a meal plan every day. I meal prep, so I'll show y'all some meal preps. That's definitely got to share that.
But we've been definitely having to get used to it. That's why we haven't shared like any of it yet, because it's a lot.
Yeah.
But it's worth it.
But we brought them, but we finna go enjoy some outside time, y'all. All right, y'all, so before we go out, I went ahead and we did go ahead and put the food up. So let me show you a little bit of what it looks like when we meal prep. Here we go, y'all. Check it out, I got to put away. All right, so I got Dewana side right here. This is Dewana side. This is breakfast shakes. 12 o'clock, we get salads. 4 o'clock, it's veggies and some meat, and then dinner, also veggies and meat. And here go my side, same thing, breakfast right here, shakes with some fruit and some nuts. Dewana also gets nuts throughout the day. And our our lunches, dinner, and snack look about the same. Now, we did go ahead and we're gonna have some steak for dinner tomorrow with the kids. We got some steak, some potatoes, got some salad down there. But yeah, y'all, so this is how we bringing the meal prep with us on vacation. But yeah, but now we can go outside. Kids are already out there playing, they having a blast. So let's go see what they doing.
They grass pristine.
That's what ours gonna be looking like. Cause this is Bermuda, I think.
Alright, watch out. I'm not showing a big swing real quick. They ain't get back on. Alright. What do you mean? You're supposed to sit or stand? Or hold on to swing. Oh! I can use the one. Y'all do this to our backyard? I look go on the farm. Go! Go, girl, go! Go! Alright. He said, where's my carrots? You said hi to the donkey? But do I smell good? I smell good. Oh, who tried to bite me?
He's looking for the carrots. Oh, she's saying hi. Let Isla see, guys.
Oh, you want to feed it a carrot? Don't get tangled in that thing. That's going to fall. It seems like they got a good amount of space.
All right, Dewana's in love, y'all.
We're getting some more land cleared. And I need an orchard, okay? I need to do this. All kinds of fruit trees, everything. Isla, where you going, Mama?
Yeah, I am okay with this idea. This is great. So yeah, now,
Isla.
man, this place is awesome. Kids have enjoyed feeding the animals already. Them sheep are funny, y'all. They not playing. Maybe they'll warm up to us here in a couple of days, but
The horses and the donkey, they about that life. But the cats, the chickens, of course, and the sheep, they're scared. But this is pretty neat. We definitely have to do more trips like this. It's one with nature.
I definitely see why people hopping on this trend. We was missing out. Okay, yeah, this is perfect relaxing holiday. And look at the kids. Look at them all getting along. When kids get along,
Should I jump right here?
oh yeah, they are loving it, y'all.
Got a fig tree. I'm chilling out here, mamas.
Yeah. Coming.
You coming? Don't keep eating.
Don't run up on it. Don't be scared.
A carrot, yeah.
I can't even stop eating the next animal.
Alright, go get you one.
Look, Mama. Hi.
Look at really at me.
Hi. You want to pet the horse? That's a horse.
Oh, look, it's like Apollonia.
What does a horse say, Isla?
Look, it has white spots.
What does a horse say, Isla?
Oh, that one's name is.
Is it good?
Hi, Chief. Oh my gosh. What y'all doing? Your shadow? Say hi.
High five. High five.
Give your shadow a high five. So we finally made it back and we end up going to the store, which is not bad at all. The store is only 4 minutes up the street from this farmhouse that is like 35 acres. That's crazy to me because where we live at, it takes us like we have a little local store, like 7 minutes, but like a good store, 20 minutes. So went to the store, picked up some pizza because we forgot to bring our pizzas. So we did have to go do that. Ended up getting the kids some wings as well. But now we're getting ready to do some s'mores. They have a nice little bonfire pit that we showed you guys earlier. And I went ahead and bought all this stuff so we had it because I knew they had that. So getting this all set and ready. They already got the fire going. And hey, this is what I'm talking about, the slow living. Now we get this at home as well, so I'm not gonna sit here and act like we don't get this, right, Ian? She over there just entertaining Isla, but we get this at home. You hear me, Ian? It'll be like last time.
Yeah, I liked her company, so.
Yeah, I don't want Isla to be in that
I didn't
room.
want Isla to be in that room anyway.
Because it's creepy in there.
Well, you can sleep in there, Zoe.
Oh, no.
He said he's going to be comfortable this trip. He said he wants to be comfortable.
He should, don't you?
I know I would.
This is so chill. We could do the same thing at home, but yeah, it's something about being away and just being in these woods. Excited. So Isla's finally going to bed, and the boys are getting in the sauna. Oh yeah. We finally figured got this thing working. Gonna come out here sweating, y'all. Gonna be sweating. All right, did y'all have fun?
Yeah, sheep were out. They were out sharing glass. In the main area.
You can leave them outside.
Yeah, you can leave them outside.
Yeah, Zaza, was it fun out there? Yeah, I seen y'all swinging. Yeah, so now we're making them some breakfast. Just made some little pancake sandwiches. They going down to the game room. They are so silly. She's still asleep. She slept with, Isla was in her room this morning and she brought her down to us. Would you see we good, Mama? Oh, you got a piece of Nana piece I gotta take off? It's so relaxing here though, just waking up. It feels like I said, it feel like this is home.
Yeah.
This feel like home.
Like I said, it's not too far from like our house, except for a few things, but we did get some cool ideas. Like we're gonna get some more trees taken down, but this is gonna let us know like how we want to do it and how we want to lay it out. Before we just go in there and just take everything down.
Later today, can't wait. Dinner is gonna be fire. I'm gonna make making my steak, my marinade. I got my marinade down. Yeah, y'all wanna see my breakfast? It actually is really good. I've been enjoying my breakfast. Like I figured, since I'm not eating, I'll be like, man, I'm missing something, but I haven't. It's actually been really good. So check out my pre-made shake. All right, super greens are in there. All right, we got super greens, we got protein powder, we got oats, and we got in there in the middle, you can't see, you can't see in there, in the very center, I put a scoop of almond butter and a teaspoon of honey.
Boys!
All right, so yeah, we're gonna mix this up. And then I also I'll be looking forward to this. I'll be getting a little bit of fruit, all right, just a little bit of berries. And, all right, so this is for snack time and for breakfast. So in the morning, I eat my almonds. Snack time, I get cashews. One day, I ate both of them at breakfast. So I was like, okay, I need to make sure I take them out. Yeah, so this is breakfast. And
Can you wait?
like I said, surprisingly, it's filling and it's good. All right, y'all.
It's Harry. I'm gonna slowly open the door. Watch out, guys. No, Isaac.
You gotta slowly push that.
Isaac, you're not the one.
Slowly push it. Yes, lock. That's all.
Where's it at?
It's right there. You don't see it? You see it in the middle of the yard.
Oh, I see.
I recorded this morning.
Oh, he heard that.
That's why don't run
I'm trying to see it.
Don't go outside.
Yeah, that's honestly like.
This door make air, Don't say nothing.
It would feel good out there.
Y'all go down.
You see the bird?
Oh, he already knows. Look at him. Look.
That way?
You walking with him.
It's that way? Oh. Yep, here he is.
Like your nose. Blow your nose.
I see it.
Can you blow?
There you
Blow
go.
again. Oh, he went off.
Yeah, he was there this morning. He was flying over there.
Yo, why
Oh,
can't
he just went to the field. You relaxing, babe?
I was just trying to figure out how I'm gonna get 100,000 million by tomorrow. Babe, how I'm gonna get 100 million by tomorrow? Is he gonna say it? What's that? Was that a rooster?
What is it?
Yeah, can you say cock-a-doodle-doo?
That's cute.
You are cute. My little farmer girl.
You just licked that.
I'm sorry.
He's like, I'm sorry, I can't do nothing about it.
She said, okay, all right, the next one will cover your face. You got 3 of them, or you got just one? Oh, you see it fall out the tree? Oh, thank you. She's like, who's gonna get it? I have to keep it forever now. Just one.
You gonna put me in danger.
Get out. I like you.
Mommy, look, mommy, look.
Look, you so
Doesn't
dainty with
don't
it.
you eat
She just will snatch it out your hand.
You want a picture?
He punched me. Is he choking?
He made me want to eat a carrot.
Oh, you just cute.
You heard me?
Don't come over.
You should hold the kid.
Yeah.
Isla, pet the horsey.
Come here, Bella.
break it. There you go.
You gonna pet it? Good job.
Like my mom.
What you eating, girl? Is that carrot?
Look at horsey.
Good job. Yeah, He being a horse.
Yes.
You missed me already. I ain't got no food for you now.
We gotta go get you some more.
Oh wait, this should have puffed out, I think. Oh, Isaac acting like he always.
Yeah, where you been at?
In there with him.
Enjoying the animals,
I'm
huh?
being with the donkey next.
Oh, you let him hold you. Say hold you.
That's soft.
She wanna lay on you.
Cozy.
She about over half his height.
Cozy.
Are you enjoying yourself?
Yes, ma'am.
Get it, Isla, get it. Go kick it.
They got that coming from the kids.
You go by them.
Isla Cooper.
I'm so surprised falling off of that thing didn't hurt. Landed straight on the root too. I just didn't feel it though.
Isla Cooper. Do you want to roll? Isla Cooper. Yay! You gonna do Aya Cooper? Look, she said Aya Cooper for free.
All right, now this is how we like to do it on vacation, y'all. So resting for the afternoon. All right, got dinner underway. Steaks here marinating. Okay. Mommy. Yeah, Isla, she fell asleep on the swings with Aya.
No.
Yeah, and Mommy decided, you know what, we at home, so we're gonna bake some cookies. So got some cookies made. Whew. Why?
I know we can't have them, but I was like, you know, we're gonna do it up for the kiddos.
Oh yeah, they look so good. Isaac, what you been doing?
I mean, I was in my room eating. I went down to that donkey pen. Went in there.
Yeah. Yeah, he loving playing with these animals, y'all. But we gotta go into the woods now. Gotta gather some firewood because we want a bigger bonfire for tonight.
Also, we have to go to the field and watch
Frolic.
the sunset. Frolic in the fields and watch the sunset tonight.
And get all those ticks on your legs.
Are you
What?
excited about
And
this?
get all those ticks on your legs.
Stop!
No, because the grass gets to like up here.
No, we don't go. They cut the part where we're gonna
Frolic into the cottonmouths, the copperheads, the rattlesnakes.
Okay, Isaac.
The city kid.
Oh, she said frogs too. Ribbit?
Yeah. Yeah, you think, oh, frolic sound like frog.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Is that tasty lunch?
She had mac and cheese and oranges.
Oh,
What did we eat in there?
cookies.
What's that?
Mmm.
Is that cookie? I heard you say it, but I'm sorry, I was talking.
Tasty, tasty. Mmm.
It was. What shape was that cookie? Heart. It was a heart. Yes.
Now we are topping the day off. Well, dinner's gonna top it off too, but we finna watch a beautiful sunset, y'all. Ooh, look at the lighting. Yeah, so we're going in the field to the top of the hill to see the sunset. The terrain is a little thick. Check off my bucket list. I've always wanted to walk through a field. All right, we're walking. Everybody's making it back there.
Okay, I like when the week's laid down like this. I like where it laid down.
This boy is crazy. Again.
We can't do nuggets. Look at this.
So Isaac trying to be a lion. He's crazy. You are gonna be itching. You're gonna be itching.
Oh yeah.
Yo, it looks like a total eclipse.
You're gonna put her down? Sunset is gone. Yep. It's
Yes,
alright.
you can already feel the temperature difference.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I need to get back to the house before the sun goes down.
And you know, after a long day, time to chill in the hot tub, y'all. Yeah, so everybody else, you know, they want to chill inside. Me and Zaza, we finna check this tub out just for a little bit. How you liking the tub, my boy?
It's cool.